I would definitely recommend them to Dr. Nolman and his staff, to anybody that I ran across that was looking for a dentist. I've known Mark for a long time. He has not only cared for my teeth, but my family's teeth as well. First, he was always a friend to me and my family, and second, he was our dentist, and that's valuable to me. He's always been very thorough, very reliable, very informative, and the same could go for his staff.
We love it here. My husband got us coming here because he knew Dr. Mark Nolman, and so we started coming, and I have really enjoyed the staff here. They are all absolutely wonderful, very personable, will talk to you about anything, don't make you feel bad about a question you may have, and will just answer it into the fullest and best of their knowledge. And as our kids got older and we started bringing them to the dentist, I really, thought about the idea of going to a pediatric dentist because I didn't really know anything different. And as I began to talk to the staff here, knowing that y'all deal with kids, and once we started bringing the kids here, they've loved it. You guys have been absolutely wonderful here, so with them. So we just wouldn't go anywhere else.